So I thought I would start my new year off doing a NADINE West unboxing. I got it yesterday on New Year's Eve, which I thought mail didn't run on New Year's Eve, but it did. I got it yesterday. So here's my package. All of my NADINE West unboxings are in a playlist, so you can check them all out there. If you're not familiar with NADINE West, it's a clothing subscription service that they send you. You go on their site, which I have linked below, and you fill out a style profile, and then every month they send you clothes that they picked out according to your style. I'm like trapped in my seat. And you only keep what you want. You send back, it comes with a label, you can send back what you don't want, and you only pay for what you keep. So yeah, it comes with, the label to send it back. So whatever you don't want, you just stick it back in this envelope and stick it in the mail. So in this one I have 6 items. I have a bracelet, earrings, a dress, bottoms, and 2 tops. And this tells you what they are, what they're called, and how much they cost. So I have 2 bundles in here. I love getting my NADINE West. It's like Christmas every day. I feel like this is a sweater I already have though. I think it is. It is, I already got this. So that's so weird because I already have this. This is a top and it's called the Francis and it's in pink. It's $44.19. It's like this pink, like heather gray and pink, like cardigan. And I love mine. That's so weird I have it. Hopefully this isn't all things I have. Oh, it's not. But this is a repeat, so I already have this. And I actually love it. I wore it on Thanksgiving. It's super soft and it's cozy to wear in the house because it's not so thick. Okay, so next in here, oh, so this is a dress. This is a dress. It's called the Nicole and it's in gray. It's $26.99. I usually start with jewelry, but today I don't know. $26.99. So it has like this V-neck with a few buttons, but it is a long sweater. I mean, a long dress. That's really long. It'll go down past my knees. That'll be so cute, like with a pair of leggings even while it's still cold out. I like this, especially with my baby belly. Oh, and it's really super soft. Super cute. Okay, so there's that. I can't believe they sent me that sweater. Like, I think I just got it last month. Or maybe it was the month before. I don't know. Okay, so next in here, we'll go with, what is this? Is this a bottom? They've sent me skirts the last couple months too. I'm not really sure why. So here's the skirt. The front has the vertical stripes. It's black and white. And it has a horizontal. And then the back is just horizontal. So this is the Morita in black and white. And it's $20.49. So that is the bottoms, which is a skirt. Throw that over there. So the next thing in here is this top, and it's called the Letitia, and it is in olive, and it is $26.99. Let's see what this is. Oh, that's cute. That is super cute. This little sweater, and look down the arms. It has the olive buttons. I guess they're kind of olive and black mixed. That is cute. Cute button detail down the sleeves. That is really cute. The brand Miley and Molly. I've never heard of that one. That is super, super cute. I really like that. It's totally not even my style or anything I would look at a store, which is why I love Nadine West, but that is super, super cute. Okay, there's that. Next in here, what is this? The bracelet. It is called Vonnie, and it is silver and black. It is $16.49. Oh, that's cool. I have a fuzzy on it. It's like black stones. Then it has like this crystal, or this ball that has like little rhinestones on it. It's not going to focus because this camera's not autofocus. Oh, and it's stretchy too. That's super cool. Different, black and silver. That is so cool. So there's that, and then the last thing in here are these earrings, and they're called Tranquil, and they're in silver, and they're $8.99. Look at those bad boys. These big, well, hoops. They're just not like in a plain circle shape. Those are freaking cool because they're so big, but they're not like chunky. They're just big, and then they're, oh, these are super cool. Yeah, I will have to try everything on. How great is that? Start my 2019 off with some new clothes and jewelry. I love my Nadine West. Okay, so I'll be right back to try them on. Okay, so here's the dress. Don't mind my orange sports bra under there. It's definitely long enough to wear as a dress because it goes down to my knees, or you could also wear it with leggings. Like I said, I am 6 months pregnant, so, but there's all kinds of room. It's super stretchy. I like this, especially with leggings. Like I said, don't mind my orange sports bra if you can see it. But yeah, I like this. Super cute. Like a t-shirt dress because it has like the little sleeves. Like I said, it goes down to your knees, like right above my knees. And I am like 5, what am I? Like 5'5" and a half, 5'6". And this is a size medium. So yeah, there's lots of room, lots of give. I mean, I could wear this the whole pregnancy, definitely. Yeah, there's that. That's definitely, I like this one for sure. Okay. Oh, come on, stupid thing. Okay, so I'm not really a skirt person, but if I was, this is super cute. Looks like I have it crooked. So right down the front, it has, it's a medium. Right down the front, it's vertical stripes, and then the rest is horizontal. Let me see if I can get it all the way down. It goes down to the knees. Cute skirt, super cute skirt. I hope I find someone that would wear it because I don't wear skirts. And it's a medium. The shirt is also super cute. It has the little button detail down the side. It's a medium also, so my belly, it barely covers my belly. But like I said, I'm 6 months pregnant. What can you expect, especially with a medium? But yeah, I love, this will probably fit, I mean, this will fit when I'm not pregnant. Like if I suck in, I mean, if I suck in a tiny bit, my belly doesn't hang out. But yeah, the skirt is so cute. I love the mixture of the, I just have it, it's under my belly. I love how it has the vertical and horizontal. I think that is super cute. Super, super cute. So yeah, here is that outfit. I like both of these. Like I said, this just doesn't fit quite well with my belly, and I'm not really a skirt person, but other than that, I really like both of these.
I like that too.
Yeah, I really like the sleeves because they're like slouchy sleeves. So they're plenty long and they're slouchy. They're not tight, but they're not big and huge, and they have the cuff at the bottom and with the cute buttons. Sorry, I'm turning towards the light. Super cute. I like this, especially when I'm not pregnant, so it doesn't show my belly. And then this, they sent me this a couple months ago, and I actually wear it. I love it. It's super soft. It's the cardigan. It's so soft, and it's like a pink and heather gray mix. And yeah, like I said, I have one. It's hanging up right there, and I absolutely love it. It's so soft. So that's definitely a thumbs up because I already have one that I wear. Yeah, that's everything that I got. Oh, this belly. I really like this though. I like the sleeves. Just not with baby boy poking out of the bottom of it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed so you don't miss out on any more Nadine West. I get them every month. Don't mind my belly button. That's like the grossest part, is when your belly button pops. Give me a thumbs up if you like these, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Don't mind my kids' laundry. I'm trying to, I have like 4 loads of their laundry to lay out and put away.